This cat started losing a lot of fur, so the owner decided to use it to make tiny slippers. And the cat seemed to love them, but then she noticed that her baby didn't have any slippers, so she asked the cat for a little more fur so she could make a pair for the baby. She began by carefully measuring both of their feet and started crafting. The cat sat beside her the whole time, watching closely to make sure everything was done right. And soon both pairs of slippers were finally completed. Then she decorated them with cute little flowers and bees, and now the cat and the baby proudly wear their matching slippers together. Yet this cat only got one like.